Hello guys, over here I have the Redmi Note 15 Pro, and in this video I'm going to guide you on how to insert SIM cards on this device. So whether you want to insert a single SIM card or a dual SIM card, this video is going to be useful to you to set up your SIM cards. Now first things first, you actually have to locate the SIM card slot on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, and it is actually at the bottom just over here. This is actually the SIM card slot. And so to open it up, you have to get your SIM card ejector tool that looks just like this one over here. This should actually come inside of the box of your Redmi Note 15 Pro, somewhere around this place over here on the box. If you do not have your SIM card ejector tool, you can go ahead and get any tiny pin that can actually enter this little hole at the bottom of the Redmi Note 15. And so once you have your pin or your SIM ejector tool, just go ahead and insert it inside of this little hole to open up the SIM card slot, and then press the pin a little hard until it actually pops out. So you can see mine has just popped out. Now what you want to do is just use your finger to bring it out just like so. And exactly as it is over here, the top part of the SIM card tray is actually for SIM 1, and then the bottom is actually for SIM 2. So for the first part, which is the top part, to insert your SIM card, you have to get a nano SIM card. Both SIM cards actually have to be a nano SIM card. And then you just want to go ahead and turn over to the back of your SIM card. And then on your SIM card, you're going to notice this little cut over here on the SIM card. And then on the SIM tray of your Redmi Note 15 Pro, you're also going to notice a little curve over here as well. So you want to place the SIM card inside of the SIM card tray exactly like this. Make sure that the little cut on the SIM card actually fits the little cut on the SIM card tray. If you just want to insert a single SIM card, then you can just proceed to insert it inside of your Redmi Note 15 Pro at this point. But if you want to insert a second SIM card, you want to get your second SIM card just like so, and then turn over to the back. Turn over to the back as well. You're also going to notice this little cut on the SIM card as well, and particularly for this one we have to place it horizontally. So instead of placing it straight, we're just going to lie it horizontally, and you can also see the little cut or curve over here on our SIM card tray as well. So just make sure you place it horizontally just like so. And once you place both and they are both flat, you want to come over to your Redmi Note 15 Pro and then just hold it while you insert it inside of the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Make sure that the first compartment is actually facing the front just like this, and then you just want to place it exactly like this carefully. And as you can see, mine actually fits, and just like so, you're good to go. Now you don't have to do anything. As soon as you turn on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, you should now be able to find both SIM cards actively working on your device. As you can see, mine is currently working over here. If this was helpful, please make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, guys.